At Holdcroft, we understand the uncertainty you may feel at the moment. Whether your vehicle requires servicing, MOT or repair work, urgent breakdown assistance, or you may be due for a change, we will continue to be here for you. This is why we are taking every step to ensure your safety. With PPE now available during your visit, along with cleaning stations and protective perspex screens installed at each of our dealerships, we're here for the safe journey back to normality. From the moment your vehicle arrives in our care, we take every precaution to prevent contamination. Through use of protective gloves and masks, key protection, steering wheel, seat and control covers, our advisors and technicians continue to provide exceptional service with minimal risk. Throughout each dealership, in new car sales, used car sales, service, body shop or parts, you and our employees are kept protected and respected. Holdcroft, here for you.